Like, that was the story of my life, struggling to get, you know, average results. But the reason that I feel like I've had success is because I never ever quit. My mantra in life is level up. Because if you don't level up, you're gonna level off.
So today is a very big day. We are meeting the builder and the designer to pick out all the finishings and to finalize the layout of the home. So we have to be fully attentive, hence the extra large coffee. We're feeling really confident, but this is a new process for us on top of everything else going on. Thank God Flavia has got a very clear vision of what she wants, but once it's final, right? So we got to get this right today. So we need to be fully attentive and let all the other problems in life, just push those to the side, and we need to be present. And then treat yourself too. Don't forget to treat yourself. Come on down to the honky tonk. Take a trip, celebrate. This is a big part about being a business owner. We're going to the Luke Combs concert. Is this the Bridgestone? Oh, we're going there on a Wednesday night to see Elevation. Don't forget, you know, celebrate milestones. And don't define yourself by how much you earn. Define yourself by how many lives you're impacting and showing up every day. So I gotta definitely get a pair before I go back. I'm not sure if I'm going for the cowboy boots, but definitely an upgraded country boot for sure.
Straight, babe. Where are you going?
It says turn left, 200 meters. Yeah, next one, just testing you. Making sure you're paying attention. Welcome to Tennessee. I love this countryside. I feel like it will slow me down, like in a good way. All right, so Flav, have you made all the changes? Virtual reality experience was strongly helpful. So we saw that a lot of the stuff that we thought was bigger is actually really small. Your mind always plays tricks on you. I think you always anticipate better than something that than you hope for, but you've got to verify. That's now a whole separate room.
All here is gonna be wine,
yeah,
and then like maybe like a fridge or...
Right.
With more wine.
Yeah, exactly. Now we got a priority straight. I'm excited. So we're gonna go inside, gotta make some tweaks to the layout of the home. I learned this great quote: if somebody doesn't understand your disappointment, it's because they didn't understand your expectations. So in communication, we have to be very clear what we like, what we don't like, and then get them to re-communicate that we're on the same page, and pray everything goes smoothly today. One of the things about an entrepreneur, like, she's like involved, I kind of get involved in documenting it, and she's actually involved in doing it. Sometimes I forget, I gotta focus on real life. We gotta get this right today, so we need to be fully attentive and we need to be present.
Okay. When we're done here today, I'm gonna have you guys initial all these pages on this plan, just sign off on this checklist that we reviewed everything in, in its entirety. So that'll kind of be the end all be all. Then we'll get you guys off to engineering and design and rock and roll. So.
All right, so hey guys, this is gonna be give you a bit of a feel of the view. Yeah, meeting went really well. Very smooth, great communication. The actual layout of the house, we gave that feedback. We're looking forward to actually signing off on it before we fly back. So dude was rock solid, really, really excited. All right, we're gonna go to the site. We're gonna go to our future home, see how it's looking. I get an extra lunge in every day here. Driveway, there's gonna be lots down here. And then where we're coming in is where we're building. So this is what we need to get clarity on, is where is it gonna sit? Oh, you think we're way over there?
No, I think 209 is right there.
We're buying a house, we don't even know which freaking lot it is. This is the road right here that we're on. We're parked right here. This is a lot, this is the driveway. This is gonna be a house. It's gonna be a house. Yeah, so it's gonna be a lot more forward than we thought.
And then so off this section of the driveway is gonna be like a walkway.
Okay, but where were the front? I'm just trying to figure out, like, where's the front door gonna be? Is it right? Are we standing on the front door? Like, where's the 2 acres start? Is it from that yellow to that yellow then back? Okay, let's just walk I wanna walk the picks, like the spikes in the ground. What are they? Okay, so here it says 210 here. Because what we know is that the tree line is the back. It doesn't make sense. Look, the driveway would have to go up and then down the hill. Oh my goodness. My emotions are going up and down here. Yeah, I mean, it's still not fully clear to me how this, it's like, how do they put a pool in back here?
So now we're searching for the yellow stakes on each corner of the lot.
Oh my gosh. Flavia, if that's 210, then they're gonna put 209 over here. That's gonna be right in front of us.
You know, the easy solution would be just to buy all these lots. Problem solved. This mission wasn't accomplished. Typically what happens is you just find new problems. But hey, it's better to deal with them now than later, right? We're gonna sort this out. We gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here, it's too much.
This is a very exciting part of our journey. We get to pick out all the fixtures, tile, flooring, everything. I'm so excited. It's gonna be a really long day and a half. Hopefully we can get it all done, but it's gonna be really fun. We did this in one of our other houses and it was exhausting, but super, super fun.
With a family home, I had a gal like me who could have wound up with weeds, wind up with a 5-leaf clover.
All right, well, I was gonna go to bed, but I got all these guys texting me who are also down here. So I'm going down to the Broadway. Is it the Broadway? No, on Broadway, that's right. We're not gonna go see the Broads on the way. We're gonna go see the honky tonk on the Broadways, clarify that. And we'll see you guys soon. Don't wait up.
Heck, buddy, let's go. We got a workout, let's go. These guys, what do you think, it's Sunday morning? Let's go!
With last night, I had 2 beers and 2 shots of Screwballs, the peanut butter whiskey. So good. Total sleep 4 hours, 9 minutes. REM sleep 19 minutes. So that's good deep sleep, but that's bad. That should be over 90 minutes.
All right, let's go get it done. You make your decisions based on your commitments, not based on your feelings, all you sissy boys. Let's go.
So in the second half of the workout, I always like to make it stronger, harder than the first half of the workout. So I'm gonna try and get this whole workout in under 60 minutes. And we're over 32 right now at the halfway mark. And then we're at 470 calories. So I'm gonna work harder to get that over 1,000 calories. Just little milestones in your head to keep pushing and not to back off.
That was awesome. Like, couldn't have had a better workout. Like, seriously, 4 hours sleep, 60 minutes, look, 59 minutes, 878 calories, 24 sets. That was awesome. I actually felt fantastic. When I travel, when I have a clear purpose, I know exactly what I'm supposed to do, no screwing around, no looking at people. People are watching me when I train. 7:08, 4 minutes to get back, 5 minutes to take a shower. You got plenty of time. Man on a mission. You got to figure out what's the mantra of your life. I had a good friend ask me, like, what's your brand all about? I'm like, I help people grow their business. It's like, yeah, but like, a lot of people do that. Like, I don't get, like, what do you actually do? I'm like, how come this was really humbling. That guy goes, why have I never heard of you? I've been on YouTube for like 15 years. I'm like, what do you mean you haven't heard of me? I'm like, I don't know, like, what's your thing? I'm like, I was starting to get really frustrated. I'm like, what do you mean, what's my thing? And then it finally clicked. I'm like, oh, like, what makes me who I am? And I thought, wow, now you're talking about my story. My story is like an average guy who struggled in school, could hardly get a 70, called my mom. Mom, I swear I got a 96. 63. Like, that was the story of my life, struggling to get, you know, average results. But the reason that I feel like I've had success is because I never ever quit. My mantra in life is level up. Because if you don't level up, you're gonna level off. And for me, I've just tried to do a little bit better every single day. You know, building my fitness businesses, improving my relationships, becoming a better dad, growing my business to a new height. Like, that's just every day trying to be a little bit better and just deciding that, hey, I'm not going to settle for the force of average. So that's the story of my life. And I hope people remember me as the guy that helped others level up, right? And that's it, man. Now we got to super level up where Flavia's gonna level me off.
Tell me a little bit about that workout this morning. Was that pretty grueling?
Oh my God, that was fucking crazy.
You were dying.
I was dead. I was dead.
I'm dying.
All right, we're done.
I'm shaking.
So 2.5 years ago, I came across Vince's Mastermind. He was having an event in Toronto. So I decided to go. I wanted to learn how to build an online fitness business. I've heard of it. It seemed like a far-off dream, and I just wanted to know how to do it. And long story short, I went ahead and I booked a train ride to Canada from New York with my ex at the time. And then I showed up to the wrong day in the Mastermind. I ended up going to the advanced day and just got completely overwhelmed and just panicked. So what ended up happening was, come day 3 for the event in the Mastermind, I ended up not going because I knew that if I went, I might sign up, and my fear got the best of me at the time. And I just felt trapped. I felt like I was living this life of quiet desperation where I was in a toxic relationship that I didn't want to be in. I was working as an in-person trainer, literally schlepping my way through across New York City, up and down, Lower East Side, Upper East Side. Relationship I've developed with Vince goes way beyond just business, because I'm telling you right now, after you hit your first 10K collected month, everything after that doesn't quite feel the same. It's still awesome, don't get me wrong, but that first 10K month breaks so many limiting beliefs. I never thought I was worthy of making income online. I never thought it was possible. And the amount of beliefs that were shattered by hitting that first 10K month, I was like, holy crap, anything is possible. Through Vince's incredible leadership, he was doing the 75 hard challenge. I got on the bandwagon. I did the 75 hard challenge. I started taking cold showers every day. I started waking up early before the sun. I started doing these things to develop mental toughness and overcome the slavery to emotions that I had. I was a slave to my emotions. And beyond that, because of his leadership, I was even able to break a massage parlor addiction. And I've really grown close in my spiritual connection and with my relationship with God. And I can go on and on. It sounds like this is the best thing since sliced bread. And I've got to say that it's been even better. And I can't thank Vince enough for the amount of guidance that he's given me. Everyone in the 7-Figure Mastermind, the community and the family that we've built. And I'm just so thankful that I have the opportunity to be a part of it. And I can't wait to be one of Vince's one-on-one elite coaching clients and be his top student.
Third steakhouse here.
Yes, another video.
Yes, another video, because we've never had this before. This is a very important moment to share with social media. Do you think my wife loves social media? Yes or no? What do you think? Yes or no?
Guys, good news. The pandemic is not in Nashville, so head on down now if you want to be free.
The science is different here, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed our journey here in Nashville, Tennessee, and we had an amazing, positive, productive week. And if you enjoyed this episode, please let me know what was your favorite part in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you turn your notifications on so you are notified first when we upload new videos. Hey, I want to make a big announcement. We are having our first ever live fitness business event in 2 years here in Nashville, Tennessee at the Renaissance Hotel. It is official, April 21st to 23rd. Save the dates. And if you'd like to be added to the event list, then just send me a message on Instagram with the words live event. I'll know what that means, and we would love to have you here. We're gonna help you grow your fitness business. We're gonna give you the best plays, put you around the best people, bring in the best speakers. It is gonna be an event you will not wanna miss if you are ready and if you are serious about growing your fitness business. Save the dates, that's all you gotta do right now. April 21st, 22nd, 23rd, here downtown Nashville, 2 blocks away from the honky tonk. It is gonna be an epic time. All right, guys, that's it for me. We got to go back to the site, but it's pouring rain out. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. We're going to go have a great day. Last day here in Nashville, and we will see you back in Toronto. Ciao, ciao.